Good afternoon, I'm coming to you from Plains, Georgia. We're here in the downtown area, little community center behind me. We're gonna take a nice little stroll through the downtown area and check it out. Let's go make some memories.
We're in the small downtown of Plains, Georgia. This is the Plains Pharmacy. I like these old style buildings, old downtowns. See what things were like. Looks like they still sell stuff here. But the little old pharmacy really is. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Oh, I like all that stuff. The old pharmacy stuff. Look at that, how cool. Arthritis stuff. All the signs. Look at them. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Using what? This is neat. The aluminum hydroxide mark. I know. So cool. Oil clothes. Cool.
You saw it?
If these sidewalks could talk, then it tells you it has murals of some of the places in the downtown area here. Well, not necessarily in downtown in Plains, Georgia. Friends of Jimmy Carter. I'm not sure what that building is. Oh, pictures and stuff. I wonder what that building's used for. They have an antique mall. Okay, this is another antique store, I think. Welcome to my Indigo Planet Pay next door at Plains Antique Mall. Oh, so there's more here, but you connected to the place we were just at. Cool. I like the old Ford sign. Look at that.
Yeah, that's neat.
Cool.
It says this was the grocery store.
Huh.
And it used to be self-serve.
Interesting. The Buffalo Cafe, that's where we're trying to have lunch. Some of their menu here. Actually, look at this. Plains Trading Post. It's closed right now. And then Bobby Salter's Plain Peanuts and General Store, home of the famous peanut butter ice cream.
Yeah, the cotton.
I know. There's like old signs and stuff I think I see in there. I went nuts in Plains, Georgia. And then here, Honey Hush, boutique and gifts. It's cute. Just a store in general. It's cute looking. Honey Hush. Oh, going down there. Let's go this way real quick. Plains Parlor. Plains Cotton Warehouse. Keys made here. Sorry, we're closed. So it used to be Cotton Warehouse?
Never said I was a musician, but we're here in what's part of the Butterfly Garden, the Rosalind Carter thing. As you can see, there's not a lot of great flowers and butterflies because it is winter time, but we want to let you know if you come and visit in the spring, definitely stop and do the Butterfly Trail. It's pretty cool. They have places all over town that you can do. So this is going to wrap up our visit here to Plains, Georgia. Thank you very much for watching. If you're in this area, Plains, Georgia is definitely worth a stop. You can grab a quick lunch, check out a couple of the shops that are here. Everybody in this town is extremely friendly. Can't beat friendly people in a nice small town, let alone the fact of all the history with Jimmy Carter. Leave a like, a comment, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And as always, we'll see you soon.